Why did I become an employment lawyer? When I became a lawyer, I had quite a broad practice. And I found, as I touched on some employment law matters, that those really struck a chord with me. I sort of felt, and back in those days, I was looking after employee clients, and I sort of felt that they were in a real time of need. They needed somebody with more power than they had. And so I would often see myself as standing there with them, almost like in a sort of Superman type figure, saying to either the employer or the employer's lawyer, you're not going to push this person around anymore, I'm on the job. And that really resonated with me, that idea that I could help people. That's expanded now over the last 17 years. So now that I help both employees and employers, and I have sort of the same passion about helping people get through a difficult time in their working life and helping them sort of move on to transition to smoother seas, so to speak. So that's why I became an employment lawyer. What motivates me to come to work every day is to actually be leading a team of lawyers and those people supporting the lawyers to do the great work that we do, and that is to help people through a difficult time, something that's come up for them in their employment world. That could be either employees or employers. And as I walk in the door each morning, I think, wow, what a great team we've got. We're all going to sort of work together today and make the world just a little bit better today. Worst job I ever had. So back when I would have probably been in my early 20s, I was hired by an event planning company. And I remember working at the Pan Pacific. There was actually a tennis tournament going on inside. They didn't have a name tag that said Simon, which is my name, but they had something, they had Shane. So I wore a name tag that said Shane, and I sort of stood there thinking, oh, this job is so brutal. I mean, all I was doing was showing people to the entrance door. And I remember my boss coming up to me and saying, Simon, if you don't smile, you're no better than that. And she was pointing to a sign. And I thought, okay, so this literally is the worst job I could ever have with my personality. So there you go.